اهلا وسهلا حبايبي، كيف حالكم؟ ان شاء الله تكونوا كلكم بخير وصحه وسلامه وعافيه. طيب الفكره هذه في بالي من اول رمضان، لكن خلينا نقول ما سنحت لي الفرصه الا اليوم ان انا اسويها، انه نسال الشارع الهولندي والناس اللي في الشارع الهولندي ايش تعرفوا عن شهر رمضان، بما اننا في رمضان المبارك تقبل الله صيامنا وصيامكم وعدوا علينا بالخير والعافيه. وايضا نحاول انه نشرح لهم ايش فكره الصيام وايش فكره رمضان وايش الهدف من الصيام، عشان يعني لعل وعسى انه نعكس صوره طيبه وحسنه. يلا نشوف. لكن قبل ما نبدا الفيديو ادعموني بلايك، واللي عاد ما اشتركش بالقناه يشترك من تحت بالضغط على المربع الاحمر يعني، ويجوز برضه عشان نكون قريبين بعض. تابعوني سناب شات وانستغرام تويتر برضه. رمضان يا حبيب. Hello. Can I ask you a question for YouTube?
YouTube?
It's just a simple question. No?
What's the
No?
question?
Okay. Do you know what Ramadan is?
Yes,
What is it?
it's a Muslim tradition, and
What do they do in Ramadan?
they don't eat from sun up till sundown.
Yeah.
Sort of.
I know.
How you know? You know?
Yeah, I know.
What do you know about it?
That people are
Only
fasting.
eat?
Yeah, only eat.
Ramadan means that people only eat before the sun comes up.
Yeah.
Ramadan means that people are not allowed to eat when the sun is up.
What do you know about Ramadan?
I know quite easy a bit. I know that it is a month-long fasting to offer your in depth into your religion.
Oh yeah.
And you come at night, celebrate with friends and family to break
It's
fast.
kind of celebrate. It's called iftar every day.
Right, iftar,
Yeah.
exactly. Yes, true.
Okay.
That's so it's a good time to come back with friends and family.
What it is, I do know what it is. It's
you know.
time of fasting,
Okay.
no eating until from sun.
Iftar?
Yeah.
Iftar,
Yeah. This when we break the fasting, we call it iftar every day with sundown.
De moslims must het vasten, ik weet niet.
Oh yeah, fasting. Yeah.
Ja, vast.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
I'm good too. Do you know what Ramadan is?
Yes, I know.
What do you know about it?
It's the fasting of the Muslims.
Oh yeah. Do you know why do they fast?
Different reasons. It's because it's one of the 5 pillars of Islam.
Oh yeah, that's really good.
Yeah.
Other things? Do you know?
It's about consideration for the poor, and also for supposedly for health.
In your body also.
Yeah. What? That's one of the things.
Well, no more.
And you know, there's a lot of people in the world, they don't find anything to eat or to drink.
Yes.
And by that, we just trying to live that feeling to help them.
Oh yeah.
And we thanks God to all food and drink that we have all days. And we think that by fasting, we get more closer to God.
To I think empathize with people who don't have that much.
Yeah, that's right. That's good. What's the purpose?
I think, I don't know if I'm right, but I think it's to how do I say this?
Dedication, maybe to
Show your dedication
to
to God, to the faith, to the religion, but also for people who are less fortunate.
Yeah.
For
Yeah, so
maybe
you
the
know how
poor
it feels,
people who
yeah.
don't have food every day.
Exactly. We're just trying to live that feeling with the poor man, and to thanks God to all food and drink that we have all days.
Yeah.
And we think that by fasting we get more closer to God.
To God, yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
شوفوا هذا البيت يا جماعة، حسب صاحبنا اللي خلف الكاميرا لا ذمته انه هذا هتلر لما حكم اوروبا في الحرب العالمية الثانية، كان لما يجي هولندا كان يجلس في هذا البيت، والمنصة اللي تشوفها هناك الشرفة كان يلقي خطاباته من هناك. والله أعلم. Do you think you can do this for a whole month?
I'm not sure. Probably if you can do it, then probably I could too.
Okay, thank you.
No, I don't think so.
How about you?
No, I can do it. I eat a lot, so
Oh, that's good.
yeah, mostly. Well, I eat a lot and often, so mostly no. I don't think I can do it because, well, my stomach will hurt, and then yeah, then I will go eat anyway. So.
Okay, thank you.
You do it?
Thank you so much. Yeah, I will do it. We do it.
now?
Yeah, right now we are fasting.
Are you hungry?
Oh, so much.
Oh, sorry.
Are we gonna have iftar after 2 hours? I think.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well,
thank
enjoy
you.
your meal.
Thank you so much. Bye.
A whole month with this because the sun is setting really
Yeah,
late.
it's warm.
Yeah, so
And it's super hot, so-
warm. And can you drink water during the day?
No, no water, no eating. It's just not about the eating and drinking. It's also about the negative thinking, and the no swear words, no negative thinking.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I don't think I would be able. No.
How about you?
Me neither.
Okay. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Thank you.
Have a nice day.
Bye bye. Have a nice day.
Not with the Dutch clock system.
Why?
Because the sundown comes at 10 o'clock at
Oh
night.
yeah, yeah. It's so hard for us because we are here, but we
Exactly.
are handling.
Which clock system do you follow? The Dutch? or-
Yeah, of course the Dutch. We
Yeah?
just you have to follow the system that the country that you are in.
Ah, okay. Hard. So extra long fasting time.
Yeah, yeah. Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Thank you.
Bye.
I don't think it is healthy, so I won't do it.
Oh yeah, you yeah, okay.
Yeah.
That's good.
I think because of health reasons, and it also depends on what time you follow. If you follow Saudi time, if you follow
we just
Turkey time.
we follow the time of the country that we are in.
Okay, the opinions differ.
Then it's so hard here in Netherlands.
It is, yes, it's very hard, especially these years. It's
Yeah.
like a really long light. So yeah,
It's okay.
so take care of your health, when fasting.
But I think I could handle it.
You handle
I
it.
think.
Oh, that's good.
I could handle it.
That's good. Okay, thank you. Thank you so much.
Have a good day.
باي. خلاص هكذا نكون سألنا أكبر عدد ممكن، وبهكذا نكون وصلنا لهذا الفيديو من هذه المدينة، مدينة نيميخن في جنوب هولندا. أتمنى أن تستمتعتوا في هذا الفيديو. شكرا لكم من أعماق قلبي، وإحسان يتلو إحسان حتى آخر لحظة في الحياة. السلام عليكم.